In this video, we're diving into how to customize your Apollo.io dashboard, which will help you supercharge your workflow and make the most out of this powerful sales engagement platform. If you're new to Apollo.io, or even if you've been using it for a while but want to optimize it for your specific needs, stay tuned. Apollo.io is an all-in-one tool for sales prospecting, lead generation, and outreach, and customizing your dashboard can make a world of difference. First off, when you log in, you'll be greeted with a clean, straightforward interface. But let's be real, you're going to want to adjust that to match your personal preferences and workflow, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Start by heading over to the settings icon in the bottom left corner. This is where most of the customization options live. Under the dashboard section, you'll see the ability to toggle different features on and off, like your pipeline or lead list. You can choose to show or hide these elements depending on how you prefer to work. If you're focusing on outreach today, maybe hide the activity panel so that you can concentrate on your lead lists. Next, you'll notice the ability to rearrange and resize the various widgets that appear on your dashboard. This is huge for getting the information you need front and center. You can drag and drop widgets around the screen to create a layout that works best for you. Want your calendar at the top for quick scheduling? No problem. Or maybe you want your activity feed on the right so you can always see recent updates. It's all up to you. By the end of this video, your Apollo.io dashboard will be perfectly tailored to your needs. Apollo.io also offers the option to add or remove custom widgets. Maybe you're tracking specific KPIs, or you need to keep an eye on the performance of your outreach campaigns. You can create custom widgets that pull in exactly the data you need, which gives you even more control over your day-to-day tasks. Another great feature is the filter options available within your dashboard. Apollo.io allows you to customize how data is displayed, whether you're filtering by account, lead status, or engagement metrics. If you're dealing with a high volume of leads, this is an absolute game changer, allowing you to focus on the right prospects without wasting time sifting through irrelevant information. And don't forget about notifications. If you have specific triggers in your sales process, Apollo.io allows you to customize alerts. Whether it's an update on a deal or a new lead entering your pipeline, you can have these notifications sent directly to your dashboard so you never miss an important event. As you continue to use Apollo.io, you'll start to see how powerful it can be when it's customized to fit your exact needs. By taking the time to tailor your dashboard, you're not only improving your productivity, but also streamlining your sales processes, which means you can close deals faster and more efficiently. Before we wrap up, remember, you can try Apollo.io completely free from the first link below. And as an exclusive offer, you'll get extended access to Apollo.io with our special bonus, so don't miss out on the chance to customize your dashboard and make Apollo.io work even harder for you. With all the features I've just mentioned, you can start customizing your Apollo.io dashboard today to get the most out of your outreach, improve your workflow, and enhance your lead generation efforts. Happy customizing, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link in the description for your extended free trial. Thanks for watching.